to this place called Ethiopia. I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna be going to this diner or whatever, and as you can see, I'm not ready. So I'm about to go get ready and like brush my teeth and everything and put my outfit on. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so I am all dressed and I'm finna to do my edges and do my face and stuff, and then I'll be back with y'all or whatever.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body hesitates. My mind, and my body, my body hesitates. My mind, and my heart, my body hesitates. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is.
Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm all ready for I was about to say I'm all ready for school. That's because I'm editing my video for 7th grade right now, so y'all should make sure y'all definitely go watch that, because that video is going to be published before this one. So yeah, so I am all ready to go out to dinner, basically. Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. And yeah, so the outfit's cute or whatever. I'm gonna do a fit check at like the place, because like, but I mean, I'm already gonna be doing a outfit video anyway, so I'm probably not even gonna do a fit check because you're already gonna see my outfit. But yeah, already, and I'm gonna make my bed because this is not it, not tea, but it's about to get real cute. So I'm gonna record me doing that.
Hands up high, hands up high, tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you're
Okay, so I'm all done making up my bed, and now I think we're gonna head out. I'm not sure yet. We're probably gonna head out in like 10 minutes. I don't know, but I just like to be prepared. So, yep, I'm all done. But I'm just now realizing that now that I'm looking at my desk, that I didn't put on any perfume. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I use this perfume. It's Bare Vanilla by Victoria's Secret. Okay guys, so we actually went to Lost in the Sauce instead. But, so yeah, I hope they record me. Let me stop. Let me stop. But yeah, so we're here. Okay, y'all, so we got the hot Cheeto bowling balls, and I tried it. It's really good. I actually really like it. But it's already halfway gone, and I only took one bite.
had to get $5.
I give you $6, and you can pay, and you get two.
Really
And you go buy between her uncle.
Y'all should definitely try
got that.
these. Y'all should definitely try these. I got stuff in my lip gloss. Like, I hate when my lip gloss does
But what
that.
you
That
have
white
is
thing at the
different.
bottom.
I can't get a lip gloss.
You still alright?
Y'all finna give me something to drink because I forgot it. But yeah, these are so good. But I gotta talk a little quiet because we in a public server. You can't be doing all that. Like, not in a public server. So y'all, I'm in a new car now. The video had cut on me because I had ran out of storage, but I was saying that this is my favorite soda. So if y'all ever want to see me, well, I don't know, I don't know. Let me stop. But yeah, y'all. So I'll be back with y'all if we do something else. But if not, I guess this is the end of the video. And Lost in the Sauce is really, really good. I think I should try it. And yeah. Alright, hey y'all, it's Night Jensen, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and like and turn on post notifications. Don't mind that. So I'm about to go out, but my dad didn't tell me like where we're going. And I'm in the downstairs bathroom, by the way. Yeah. So I didn't tell me where we're going, but we're gonna go somewhere. So basically, I'm just gonna do a little vlog for y'all. And yeah. Okay, y'all. So we at Raising Cane's. He finally told me. And I know y'all don't know, but I've been wanting to come here, so we're here now. Atlanta people these days. Let me stop. I'm one of them. Okay, y'all. So we're here at Cane's, and we're ordering, and I don't really know what to get, so I'm gonna ask her. I don't know. But we're here, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I just ordered, and I ended up getting something else instead of the box. But I got some chicken and stuff, and I got this lemonade, and it tastes like really different. It's not like regular lemonade. So if you don't really like healthy stuff, then I would not recommend you getting a lemonade, and I would like rather you just get something else. But yeah, this is really tea, and y'all should definitely come check out Cane's because. But I'm gonna record me trying the food or whatever, and yeah. And mind y'all, this is my first time eating it, so. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to try the fry. It tastes like Zaxby's fries. Y'all just tried it, but I tried it off camera, my bad. It's so good, y'all. So we actually ended up going somewhere else. And so I guess you can just call this a vlog, I guess. But we're at the Perimeter Mall. We're at the Perimeter Mall, and I don't know what store we're going to, but don't mind my dad. Like, that is just so like. But yeah, so we're about to go somewhere else, and I'm not sure. We're not in the mall, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna check back with y'all when we at wherever we're supposed to be. Because, yeah. But I just wanted to let y'all know that we're here. Y'all, so we're in Gap, and it was this cute jacket that I really wanted so bad, but they don't even have it. But yeah, it smell like, bro, don't y'all hate when y'all in the mall and it smell like freaking straight up pretzels? Like, that is just so. Victoria's Secret. Y'all, public social anxiety is scared of me. So y'all, we just lit in what was it? What was it called? Where did we go, Dave?
This is perimeter.
No, the store we went to before this one. Oh, H&M, yeah. So we had went to H&M, and we just left out of Aeropostale. So yeah, and I recorded some clips. So. Y'all just had to show y'all this wall because it is just so cute. Like, what in the world? Y'all, we're in Foot Locker now, and I just seen these not so cute. I just seen these shoes, and they are so cute. If y'all want these, they are. I got this sample coat. Okay. Going to this store called Request, and they got a lot of cute shoes in here. Oh my goodness, these shoes are so cute. These shoes are so cute, bro. Look it. Okay guys, so we just left out of the perimeter mall or whatever, and I think this might be the end of the vlog. I thought it was gonna be short because I thought we only was gonna go to Raisin Cane's, and y'all know, like, I went to Lost in the Sauce yesterday, so I thought it was gonna be those two. But we ended up going here, and I recorded some clips in the mall or whatever. So this might be the end of the video, because I know I kept saying like, oh, this is the end of the vlog, but no. So I don't know. We might go somewhere else after this. but I'm not sure. And don't mind my edges, bro. I know they've been through a lot, and I know they're looking great. Just leave me alone, okay? But yeah. Bro, this freaking editing, like, I think this was a long vlog, bro. I gotta do this freaking editing when I get home for y'all, and I gotta make my freaking thumbnail. But it's alright though, because I'ma always post for y'all. So, yeah. And these bugs is eating me up. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I have like bites on my arm and they're really itchy. My arm is so hairy, but it's like bites on it. I don't know if y'all can see the bumps. It's so itchy. Y'all can see it a little bit. And then my face is breaking out. Like, y'all, tell me some things. Tell me some recommended things, like, for my face or whatever. But I've seen a lot of people, like, use Dove soap to wash their face, like the bar one. So I might use that. I'm not sure. But yeah. So this might be the end of the vlog. I don't know. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you will always know if I post another video. Bye. Well, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Bye. I don't know. But maybe we just gonna call this see you later. Okay. See you later. Bye. Okay, y'all, so this is, I don't know why the camera is so blurry, but this is the end of the vlog because I am back at home now, and I just got out the shower or whatever, and yeah. So, if you haven't already, let me stop saying that. I know y'all tired of me saying that. But, this is the end of the vlog. Subscribe, and my TikTok is right here if y'all want to go, follow it, or like, see what's the next video, or if I'm posting anytime soon. And I just posted my my get ready with me, so this video isn't gonna get published until like 2 weeks after that, so probably like at the end of August, because I don't want to be posting every day, because I don't want to do that, because then I don't want y'all to get used to that, so yeah. But so this is the end of the vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I love you so much, and bye.